Onion. Onion means प्याज. Tomato. Tomato means टमाटर. Potato. Potato means आलू. Brinjal. Brinjal means बैगन. Lady finger. Lady finger means भिंडी. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd means लौकी. Radish gourd. Radish gourd means तुरई. Radish. Radish means मूली. Carrot. Carrot means गाजर. Cucumber. Cucumber means खीरा. Peas. Peas means मटर. Pumpkin. Pumpkin means कद्दू. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd means करेला. Cauliflower. Cauliflower means गोभी. Cabbage. Cabbage means पत्ता गोभी. Turnip. Turnip means शलजम.